Magnesium stearate, also called octadecanoic acid, magnesium salt, is a white substance, powder which becomes solid at room temperature. It has the chemical formula Mg, C, 18 hours, 35O2, 2. It is a salt containing 2 equivalents of stearate and 1 magnesium cation. Magnesium stearate melts at about 88 degrees Celsius, is not soluble in water, and is generally considered safe for human consumption at levels below 2,500 mg per kilogram per day. In 1979, the FDA's Subcommittee on Grass Substances reported, "There is no evidence in the available information on magnesium stearate that demonstrates, or suggests reasonable grounds to suspect, a hazard to the public when they are used at levels that are now current and in the manner now practiced, or which might reasonably be expected in the future." Manufacturing: magnesium stearate is created by the reaction of sodium stearate with magnesium sulfate. Uses: magnesium stearate is often used as an anti-adherent in the manufacture of medical tablets, capsules and powders. In this regard, the substance is also useful, because it has lubricating properties, preventing ingredients from sticking to manufacturing equipment during the compression of chemical powders into solid tablets. Magnesium stearate is the most commonly used lubricant for tablets. Magnesium stearate can also be used efficiently in dry coating processes. Studies have shown that magnesium stearate may affect the release time of the active ingredients in tablets, etc., but not that it reduces the overall bioavailability of those ingredients. As a food additive or pharmaceutical excipient, its E number is E470B. Magnesium stearate is also used to bind sugar in hard candies like mints, and is a common ingredient in baby formulas. In pure powder form, the substance can be a dust explosion hazard, although this issue is effectively insignificant beyond the manufacturing plants using it. Magnesium stearate is manufactured from both animal and vegetable oils. Some nutritional supplements specify that the magnesium stearate used is sourced from vegetables. Magnesium stearate is a major component of bathtub rings. When produced by soap and hard water, magnesium stearate and calcium stearate both form a white solid insoluble in water, and are collectively known as soap scum. References: D. Zandagarda, O'Meara and G. Wang 1/4 TZENA. Magnesium stearate given peripherally to rats. A short-term study. Toxicology 17, 51 Euro 55 doi, 10.1016/0300-483 times opening round bracket 80 closing round bracket 90026-8. PMID 7,434,368. FDA's SCOGS database. Report number 60. ID code 557-04-0. Year 1979, Steve Ritter. What's that stuff? Excipients, inactive ingredients in medicines serve multiple functions in drug delivery. Chemical and Engineering News 86, 25 doi, 10.1021/CEN V086N001P025. Swarbrick, James. James C. Boylan. Encyclopedia of Pharmaceutical Technology. Pages 2274. ISBN 9780824728243. Weiner, Myra L. Lois A. Kotkowski. Excipient Toxicity and Safety. Pages 10. ISBN 9780824782108. Uobers Y, Dodds J, Gallatt L, Chamayon U.A., Baron M, Particle Coating in a Cyclamix Impact Mixer, Powder Technol, 189, 245-252, Thomas G., Uobers Y, Grosso P., Baron M, Chamayon U.A., Gallatt L, Modeling the main interaction forces between powder particles. Application to silica gel magnesium stearate mixtures, Applied Surface Science, 255, 7500-7507, Sato A., Ceres E., Grosso P., Thomas G., Galit L., Chamail Wei, Baron M., Experiment and Simulation of Dry Particle Coating, Chem. Eng. Science, 86, 164-172, Allergias Nervia, Redinevrania. Effect of magnesium stearate concentration on dissolution properties of ranitidine hydrochloride-coated tablets. Bosnian Journal of Basic Medical Sciences, 2007, 7, 3, 279-283, Natalie D. Eddington, Mohammed Ashraf, Larry L. Augsburger, James L. Leslie, Michael J. Fossler, Lawrence J. Lesko, Vinod P. Shah, Govinda Singh Rakhi. Identification of formulation and manufacturing variables that influence in vitro dissolution and in vivo bioavailability of propranolol hydrochloride tablets. Pharmaceutical Development and Technology, Volume 3, Issue November 4, 1998, pages 535-547, International Chemical Safety Card 1403, Anne-Marie Helmenstein. About.com, Why is it harder to rinse off soap with soft water? Retrieved March 19, 2010.